Excuse me, the pagans. Can't seek validation. Those are not narration. From you know your patrons. Boasting about name brands. But also over 8 grand. But it's a not the same one.
The cost of us response. Why? With no way to pocket.
She's back. Welcome back to my channel. It's girl Tash, and today we're doing the long awaited makeup video for this hairdo that I did. Gonna be posted on my channel. Stay tuned, click and hit that notification bell to see when I post. Your girl is here, she's current, she's popping, she's living her best life, and she's enjoying every bit of it. So let's get right into this video. So as you see, I've done my eyebrows. They're a little bit out of shape, however, you know, I use a lighter concealer underneath and my foundation up top to help clean it up. I also am wearing beautiful bronze drugstore LA Girl Pro concealer, and that works for me. I love it. Ever since I started doing makeup, that's what I've been using, and it's never led me astray. I've always loved it and enjoyed it. And so yes, so without further ado, today I'm feeling myself, and I really want to, you know, continue with my spring theme. I have this deep desire and passion for makeup. So on today makeup looks, I'm trying to find me a brush. It's like all my brushes been hiding from me. Where you been? However, I'm looking for, yeah, I need a fanny brush. All right, so right into my eye look. So I'm going for very bold, very bright colors. So today I'm gonna be dabbling in yellow and blues. So I have this yellow right here, and you know, I'm using the La Rock palette that I got off Pretty Little Things website. And before I use the yellow, I'm gonna use this brown right here as my transition color. Let me show you a little bit better. This brown right here, she's right here. So yeah, so let me use this brush for blending. So what you guys been up to? I'm here. I've been learning Spanish. I really love the language. I really would love to learn it fluently, and I'm like, when all of this corona madness is over and done with, I want to be able to go to a Spanish speaking country and be able to speak Spanish. So I'm like, wouldn't it be perfect for me to just learn it in the free time I have now? So I'm just adding this to the crease of my eyes to help give it that dimension. So when I had the brighter colors on it, my eyes are not monochrome. So I'm just gonna do that to both eyelids. Smudge it back there and make sure, see? Make sure I'm smudging it real good. That's one step in makeup that a lot of people need to know, is that you can have crappy makeup on, but the way you blend it has a lot, and I mean a lot, to do with how it turns out. I'm not justifying crappy makeup though. If it's crappy, it's crappy. So let me work on my next eye and blend this up. So in order for this video to not be 3 hours long, I finished blending my eyelids, the crease of my lids, and now I concealed it because I'm gonna do a cut crease. And as you can see, I did a little wing out because I wanted to do like a smoky wing out at the end. So now I'm just going to be adding this yellow pigment to my lid. and I'm just gonna pat it on gently. I'm not smudging it, I'm patting it. That's it so far. So guys, I'm gonna put this blue right here under my eyes and smoke that out. I feel like I need a smaller smoking brush. Yeah, I'm gonna need a smaller brush to get that angle. I'm working on her. As you guys can see, the colors aren't as pigmented as I would want them to be. And the other palettes that I have, they have lighter color shades of blue. And I didn't want to really use a lighter blue. However, I have a backup blue. So guys, I have this blue eyeshadow from a long time ago, gifted to me by my sister. So I'm going to try to infuse that into the blue I already put to incorporate a very shimmery blue. Let's see what happens. So this is how my eyes are looking. I need to clean up this side a little bit. As you can see, I have a smudge right there, but no worries, I'm gonna go right into contouring. So my contour sticks are, my concealer is MAC 24 Hour Studio Fix, and it's in NC50, and my good old drugstore NYX Deep Espresso. So let's get right into it. So this is how I look like a tribal warrior, but hey, faking it till we make it. So I'm just going to pat and push the product into my skin. Oh, what's going on? So you guys can see that a mistake happened. My beauty blender touched my contour on my cheek. However, a little concealer should be able to solve that problem real quick. So like how this is a darker shade, it's easier to use it first. But today I was trying to be spontaneous, you know? So it's good sometimes to stick with what you know. However, I'm just going to push the product into my skin. Make sure that and I'll come right back. Guys, it's just to take your time and blend. And the reason why I'm trying not to talk is because I want to focus, so this video is not 3 hours long. But just smudge that into your eyeshadow. Go and get this work. So this is my foundation, Sleek Face Foam Bacon and Setting Powder. Got this off Pretty Little Things website, and I'm just going to be baking my face right now, being that bronzy goddess that I like. Oh, remember guys, you're gonna press it into your skin. Just tap it. I'm trying to not let this spill on my clothes. Makeup takes a lot of concentration. So sometimes if your makeup artist ain't talking as much or is exhausted, it's because she needs to concentrate to beat that face. Okay? Need to I for one love summer looks because I love bright colors. I love to see how I can transform colors into different designs and how it complements my face and my outfit, and I use it as an accessory, you know. Don't be afraid to use colors. Don't ever be afraid to try to even just use like a colored wing liner, or put like a little color in your tear duct, or you know, put a little color underneath your lid. Fire. So while my face is baking, I am going to make sure that I think my top part of my eyes kind of look a little bare, so I'm gonna go over it with a little bit more yellow. So this time around, I'm not using that yellow, I'm using more of a mustardy yellow. I'm not using that sunshine yellow. I'm using, do you see my yellow? Making sure you guys see. Trying not to let the palette fall out. So this right here, do the trick. And I'm just gonna pat it over my eyelids just to ensure that the color is a little bit more pigmented. And you don't have to worry about the makeup falling on your face because it's setting. Oh, okay. See that? Before, after. And just smooth that out. Loving it. Making sure you guys see. All right. Put this out. And voila. So guys, I'm in my creative element and I'm like, my eyes look a little too bland for me, you know. So I'm going in with this orange shade right here. It's like the orange shade, and I'm just adding it to my waterline, not waterline, where I'll put my eyeliner. What is happening to me today? Yeah. And just try to bring a little wing out. See that color contrast? Beautiful. So I'm gonna do this to the next eye. So as you can see, I added it to my waterline. Colors popping. Alright, so I need to put on my lashes and put on my lip. So my lashes on. I'm gonna use my Morphe bronzer. I don't remember, the color is called Prodigy. And I'm just gonna add this to my cheekbones real quick. Pat, pat, pat. Real quick. See? Alright. Then I'm gonna go for my highlighter. It is called Eye Art Revolution. And it's a shape of an apple. And I'm just going to go in. I'm gonna go in with this brush right here. Those small dabbles right here. Look at that. Talk to me nice. And I'm gonna do this for the same for the next side. Twice as nice. I got that from Jeanette McCurdy. I think that's her name. She's a fitness trainer. A little bit over my brown bow. I can never do a short makeup video. I'll be editing so much stuff out. And yeah. Yeah, that's it for me. But last but not least, I'm gonna go in with my chestnut lip pencil and my MAC Bronx lipstick to finish off this look real quick. I'm kind of darkening the sides, so it gives me, bringing it up a little bit, make it a little darker. Alright. Now for my Bronx lipstick, gonna just focus her in the center. And my beat is done. Let me show you up close and personal what she looks like. Put my hair down. See that little orange popping through right there? So you're like looking in my eyes and you're like, she a snack. Oh, what? You can see my hair growing out a little bit because this video was supposed to be done days back. However, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Hit that notification bell. Stay tuned. Don't be afraid to comment, like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know the deal. And stay tuned for more videos like these. Thanks for watching. Bye.